Hello, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Bitcoin News. Today we can read that Dubai's IBC group pledged 4.8 billion worth of BTC to back the Miami 2.0 blockchain strategy. And then we have an article saying in not so clear words what all this means. So we're going to try to see if we can figure out more what this article is actually saying. So apparently, one group in Dubai is pledging. Do they already own that Bitcoin? Are they going to buy that Bitcoin? How will it affect the price of Bitcoin? We don't really know. What we do know is they own 5 billion in Ethereum that they have staked. So what I think is they are pledging to Miami to be able to utilize their Bitcoin to kind of use them on the exchange on the blockchain. So I'm not sure if they are going to add more Bitcoin, if they're going to buy more Bitcoin, but they are going to offer Miami to use their Bitcoin in order to further move further with Miami's blockchain strategy. That is basically what they are saying. But they don't state that they are going to buy new for 4.8 billion. Um, so what is Miami? We can start with that. What is Miami 2.0? That is basically the mayor of Miami is part of this movement, and Miami is going to make it possible for employees of the government in Miami to take part of their salary in Bitcoin, to make it possible for the citizens of Miami to pay their taxes in Bitcoin. So what Miami is actually trying to do is to become the Bitcoin city, to become the Bitcoin capital of the world. This is what Miami is doing, and this is what the mayor of Miami is doing. So let's have a look at what the mayor of Miami said about this.
The City of Miami Commissioners for supporting my resolution, which directs the city manager, after analysis, to procure a vendor to be able to offer our employees to get a percentage of their salary in Bitcoin, allows our residents to pay for fees in Bitcoin, and also would allow the city manager to cooperate with Miami-Dade County to allow for taxes to be paid in Bitcoin. It also requests of the state legislature that the city of Miami supports efforts to make Bitcoin an acceptable currency for us to potentially invest in the future. It's wonderful to be a very crypto-forward city in the city of Miami, and I want to thank my commission colleagues for allowing that to happen.
Let's also have a look at the Bitcoin price. We had quite the setback here caused by F2 pool, whales in F2 pool dumping. Might have something to do with the Bitcoin futures expiring on Friday. I know there's been word that some sort of movement is starting to sort of do what the GameStop guys did, to sort of counter this move and pump the price up and make a short squeeze. It doesn't look like this movement is gaining much traction yet, but maybe it's something to watch out for in the future. But what can we say about the price right now? I don't see any obvious patterns forming, so we're not in any, maybe on a larger scale. No, it's probably too early to tell. We saw a bottom here. If we go to the daily, we can see that this is exactly as we predicted. The bottom was about 444, a little bit under 45. So I think we had a target from this formation trading channel that we were in here, around 44 to 45. So we hit that perfectly, and we bounced from that. And then we came over the 20 moving average. So if we close the day here above the 20 moving average, then I'm fairly bullish. Then I think maybe just maybe this was the low. But if we close below this for the first time in a very long time, then I think we're heading down towards 40, which is my next buying. I will buy if the price touch this line. Then I will buy. That would bring the RSI quite far down as well, I believe. Um, we see we bottom out on the RSI around 40, which is historically a good place to buy as well. This is for the hourly. So if we go to the hourly, that's the bottom of the hourly, I believe. So if I'm buying, I would like to see this come down as well. So I know I am buying at the right time. So I want to touch this line on the hourly, and I probably would like an RSI. I mean, it depends on other things, of course, as well. But if I'm buying the dip, I like to look at the RSI. Let's zoom this in again. So then I would like the RSI to come down as it was here before the last pump to around 40. That would be awesome. But I'm also fine with us just bouncing here and going up for another leg up. But it's always nice to try to get some Bitcoin. I got some at 44,000 or for 45,000, a little bit above 45,000. I didn't wait exactly for the target to be hit. But yeah, I would love to get some more at 40,000. That's just me. But of course, also, I'm happy with the price going up. But as you know, according to my price model, there is still time left in this bull market. I mean, there are so many bullish news coming out, and especially if we have Miami turning into a Bitcoin city, where people pay taxes in Bitcoin, we have PayPal gonna make the rest of the world enabled to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. We got corporation coming in. We got Bitcoin ETFs. I mean, there are so many bullish news for Bitcoin, and that tells me that there are still time left in this bull run. And I said that my estimates. We can have a look at that as well. Never hurts to look at things many times. Um, for my estimates, the bull run is going to at least last until the summer, like 4th of June. But yeah, this is more likely November. 1st of November is also a date. This is made by how these lines, horizontal lines here, timelines. These are based on how long the other bull markets lasted from the halving. So here we go from the halving. This is how long the other bull market lasted from the start to actually go up, appreciate. So this is not taken from the halving. So if we take this one, it's August, because then we had almost a year of upward going price appreciating Bitcoin. So most conservative target midsummer, then August, and then November. But maybe we'll just continue. Maybe we'll just continue to. But at some point, everyone who is interested in Bitcoin currently, anyone who get it, they will have bought. and that's why when we're gonna see a big correction. And people are joking and saying when Peter Schiff finally come around and buy, then the most bearish person have bought Bitcoin, then it's the time to sell your Bitcoin. So that's sort of a meme. Um, yeah, so I think that's it for now. And remember to like and subscribe and tell YouTube that you love crypto videos, so we get more people into the space, and the more the merrier. Maybe one day we'll get Peter Shift. Bye for now.